Hey, what is going on, guys? So you guys requested to make another burp video for some reason, I don't know. But they said do it with soda, so I went out, had a little bit of myself, but I went out, just got this. It's still cold. I don't know if this can catch it, but yeah, it can't catch it. But like, you can take your finger and then like you can wipe it off. Yeah, so it's still cold, but you guys seem to enjoy the burp video. I honestly don't know why or anything like that. But anything for you guys. I don't know why. Yeah. But for some reason, because you know how like the carbonation, like when you shake it, it builds like up like all the bubble stuff. I don't know. If you jump, I'm pretty sure it's like, I don't know, but I'm gonna try saving it. Wow. Okay. Well, I don't really know what to do. It's already. How is it already been 2 minutes? Okay, this is ridiculous. You guys really seem to enjoy these videos. I don't understand why. I mean, if you guys like it, then sure I'll do it. I'm gonna try drinking some of this and shake it, and when I build out like a nice good burp, I'll be right back. Oh. I was like jumping up and down with that, and wow, that came. I wish I got that in video. That was like really big. But so next video, I'm gonna upload this like instantly, like right after this, like maybe like 10, 15, 20 minutes after because that's the upload time. But I'm gonna try making the world's longest straw. I have like 50 straws. Oh, they're strong and flexible. I can feel it. Whatever. They're 7.76 in X 0.25 in. So they're like 7 inches. They're 7 inches, almost 8 inches practically. And then the diameter is like 0.25. So, God, I can feel it. I don't know, but yeah, I'm trying making the world's longest straw. I guess I can do it with this soda. So yeah. See that in the description. I mean, not the description. Sorry. In the next video, you'll see trying to make the world's longest straw. All right. I've seen this before. I don't know. I'm probably gonna like open the door and then go. I'm probably not gonna take my camera, but like I'm just gonna go and you know, like just go. Now, yeah, so but no, yeah, and then I'm gonna do a review on a product that I'm getting. It's called High Smile, and it like whitens your teeth, but yeah, not I don't know why I said but yeah, my teeth are ready. They're pretty yellow, I guess. Yeah, they're not like white, but they're not like the color yellow. But I'm gonna do like a whole week of that. Every day I'm gonna upload a video of what my teeth look like now. As my teeth look like now. Got braces on like not that long ago, but yeah. Alright. Well, enough with talking. Please subscribe to Logan. He got his iPhone. He lost it, dropped it in the snow for like weeks, like almost a month, and then found it, and it like still works. And it's an iPhone 5 S. I'm pretty sure SE maybe. I'm not so sure. But yeah, go check out his channel. Guys, you guys seem to, I read all you guys' comments. I'm kind of confused on the one that this one guy said, like, go through your phone and, like, media or something like that. I don't even know. But, yeah, I kind of don't know what he means by that. Like, at all. But whatever he's trying to mean, maybe someone else, like, try to more detailed, and then I'll probably do it. But, yes, tomorrow is Friday. So then, I mean, I can hang out with Grant. So yeah. But if not, I might have to work tomorrow. I'm not so sure. But I'm gonna stop talking. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. I don't know. I just kind of get carried away. Yes. So thanks. Subscribe, leave other challenges or any other stuff that you want me to do besides vlogs right now. I'm not gonna vlog right now. I'm gonna vlog in the summer. Coming up pretty soon. You guys obviously know that. Yeah, so yeah, Toko out.